In this video, I've combined my top 3 retopology guides into one complete masterclass to help you master clean geometry in Blender from start to finish.
First, I added a plane and set snap target to face nearest. Then I enabled in front so I can see my mesh clearly. Switching to edit mode, I activated Retopology and started building clean topology over the model. Retopology is essential for making your models animation ready and easy to work with.
Let's dive straight into it. First, go to Edit, Preferences, and under the Add-ons tab, search for and enable F2 and B Surfaces mesh tools. These are built-in Blender powerhouses that will transform your retopology workflow from a nightmare into a breeze. But before we click anything, what is retopology? In simple terms, it's the process of rebuilding your high poly sculpts into a clean, low poly mesh with proper edge flow. Why do we do this? Because high poly models are impossible to animate, unwrap, or bake textures properly. Good retopology is the backbone of professional game assets and cinematic characters. Now, why these specific tools? The F2 add-on is your best friend for speed. Instead of manually creating every single face, it allows you to hover over a vertex and press F to instantly create a perfect quad. It understands the context of your mesh, saving you thousands of clicks. On the other hand, B Surfaces is pure magic for organic shapes. It lets you draw guide strokes directly on your high poly surface using the annotation tool. Once you hit Add Surface, Blender generates a clean mesh following those exact curves. It's like sketching your topology in 3D space. Mastering these two means you can handle complex characters or hard surface parts in half the time. If you found this quick breakdown helpful, make sure to check out my other tweaks to level up your Blender game.
Need a clean, optimized mesh? Here's a fast way to retopologize in Blender. Follow for more quick Blender tips.